Today I'll be talking about the importance of words in media and professional writing. Words in media are so important. They allow us to get the full story and details when we are looking at news articles or watching stories on what may have happened in the news. Today I'll be giving you an example, and I will have you discuss the difference between these two examples that I will provide. This is one example of a headline that could be put out in the media. I want you to discuss what is missing and what could be improved. Now that you've had the chance to discuss, I have a second article, official statement headline, provided as well. I want you to read through this and discuss the difference between the first example that I provided and the second example. Now that you've discussed, I will move on. Now, how are these two examples different? Why is it important to add information? In my own life, I've seen this with my roommate, Mallory, with this story. She served her mission in Cincinnati, Ohio, when she found out this accident occurred. She looked at media resources to find out if it affected one of the areas that she served in. In our own lives, if we have family or friends or people that maybe we serve on missions, if any of them are affected by an issue, would we want to be having these kind of resources? A clear and defined, detailed explanation of what occurred, what areas were affected, what time they were affected, and what is going to be happening from that point forward. We want to have these clear, detailed explanations so we can move forward and gain answers to our questions. Now that we see the role and the power of words within a story, we can use this information to help audiences understand. First and foremost, in professional writing and news, we should be truthful to our audience, but we should also be very clear and concise about the information we're providing. This will help avoid confusion and will allow people to have the big picture. Thank you.